Hello, and welcome to our Columbia and Amazon partnered hackathon winning project, MyCFO.ai. This is an orchestration of multiple AI agents that collaboratively perform all the functions of a CFO. Think of it like a CFO in your pocket. Now, we noticed that a major reason for small businesses to fail was due to poor financial management. To be more precise, about 82% of business failures have this as a big contributing factor. They aren't really able to afford those expensive CFOs that charge around $100,000 per month as an advisor, and therefore they have to fall back to manual expense tracking and making financial decisions without having the required skills or the knowledge to do so. So we thought to ourselves, why not create a system of AI agents that individually specialize in various functions of a CFO, and those agents collaboratively could act as a CFO and provide high quality advice. So our solution comprises of 6 agents. The supervisor agent, which basically orchestrates all the decisions of the sub-agents. And then we have the specializing agents. So one of them can be an expense tracker, the other one can be an income forecaster, a budget optimizer, a compliance agent that basically takes your financial information and the rules or policies that your financial transactions have to follow and kind of provide an analysis of them together. And then you have a communication agent that basically takes all the other agents' inputs and creates one uh, combined output or a report which can be sent to various stakeholders. Now, looking at the solution architecture, we created an end-to-end proof of concept where we integrated our front end to the agent. So for which we will shortly be showcasing a demo. So we used AWS API Gateway to bring users' requests inside of our AWS account. There, the request goes to our Lambda function that filters spam or invalid requests, manages certain backend logic, and sends only clean, structured instructions to our supervisor agent, keeping the system efficient. So then the Lambda invokes the supervisor agent, which acts as the CFO brain who understands the request, and then it will assign the tasks to various specializing agents, and then it unifies their outputs into one coherent response. Then we specialize our specialized mini experts, then analyze the budgets, compliance rules, forecasts, or risk. They each handle one task specifically, and they return focused insights to the supervisor. Each specialized agent gets their own knowledge base required for performing their own functions. Now, let's quickly have a look at our demo. So here we have a dashboard, and let's say we ask for provide a compliance report for our company's financial documents. So here we are assuming that the agent already has access to the financial transactions of the past n number of months, and it already has a rule of different compliance rules and policies that the transactions have to abide by. And this is already there in the knowledge base. So then, as you can see, the agent's not only providing a summarized version of your compliance report, but also dynamically generates various charts and a dashboard of rules and transactions that are kind of breaking your compliances. So I think one of our key innovation ideas right here was usually people just focus at the natural language output of an agent, where they say that okay, the text seems correct and should be enough and they're good to go. But the thing that they're missing is that this text is not really easy to parse on the front end to develop certain dashboards that look like this, right? Because if you're given a text, how do you actually extract the meaningful information and actually render a graph? So the key thing that we did was we specifically taught our agents to provide their output in specific JSON formats dedicated to each agent. So for example, compliance one needs to output their JSON in the format of these are the number of pending transactions, these are the completed transactions, these are in progress transactions, and then we are able to easily render on our front end. Thank you for watching the demo.